How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome back to my unboxing video. And in this unboxing video, I'm going to unbox something. Matter of fact, the biggest thing I've ever unboxed on this channel, which is the Sony Bravia 8 65 inches OLED 4K HDR TV. Well, that can be going on for ever and ever. You're probably asking, where the hell have you been? Because I've been off from YouTube for about more than 6 months. Well, guys, man's been grinding. That's all I'm going to say. I've been grinding and I've been grinding. Purchased myself a new house, and the new house needed a new TV. I've still got my 65 inches of the other Sony KD something TV. I've completely forgot about that. But this is the brand new Bravia 8. It's literally just come out a couple of months ago, and the AMR's got his hands on it. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, I am not prepared at all for this unboxing video. It's going to be very unusual because it's huge. I'm doing this alone. This is an unboxing video where I'm going to focus on what's in the box, close-ups of the TV's inputs, the back side of the TV, which nobody shows on YouTube, really. I'm going to show you things that nobody shows on YouTube. But here it is. This is the Sony Bravia 8. Specs in detail will be in the description below. But I'll give you a heads up on the bits and bobs of the scratch. It's basically a TV made for the PS5. It's got basically everything. It's just literally one of the high-end TVs for Sony. It's got 120 FPS. It's got VRR. It's got LLM, whatever you call it. You know, it's got things that I don't even know what they are, dude. Which we're gonna find out together, man. Here is the box, all boxed up like it should be. And here we go. Oh damn, what's it with me and all this trying to show my address? I can't go that way because my address is there. What I'm gonna do right now is, guys, I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna get rid of all these plastic thingy-majigs, and then we are going to see what's inside. Of course, it's going to be the TV. If it's anything else, then damn. Well then, guys, I've chopped the choppers off, the white, I forgot what they called, man. When I used to work in a warehouse, I used to remember all of these packaging things, but now I've completely forgotten what they called. But I've unboxed these annoying things that give you plastic cuts. For, upon first glance, what you see inside here is a stand, which is going to be completely useless to me, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on this bad boy wall here, on my branches, dude. Yes, those do light up. They're absolutely cool. I've also got a cabinet lined up here, but whatever, man. Everything's not set up correctly yet. So, let's go back. What is the hell is this? This is... I have no idea what this is. Setup guide. It's a setup guide. It's an instruction manual. And it's got... yeah, so basically, it's got the thingy-majigs to set it up. Damn, I've got to follow these instructions. This is my first ever OLED TV, and it is thin as paper, man, from what I've heard. So, yep, it's telling me, warning, do not slam it, do not do this. So these are the things that are inside it. It's got loads of stands. So I'm guessing inside the paper bag, we've got the bolts for the stands, instruction manual, batteries. We got some form of cable here. One of them probably a power cable. That's all what I need. You got a CD there. What on earth is a CD? I have no idea. The remote is somewhere up here as well. So let's put this gently over here. Sorry guys for the one. You know I always got complained for one-handed unboxing videos. But guys, I haven't got a stand. I'm not, like I said, I'm not ready for this. Like, I've just moved into this house and all my equipment is all over the place. But anyways, let's go. What's next? Let's see the remote. Is that? No, that's not the remote. What on earth is this? It's some type of covers. I'm guessing these are the covers to pull if you are not using the mount. My mount is not even here yet, dude. I'm so excited to use this TV. And inside there, we've got something that's good looking. Just a second, guys. Inside here, we have the remote. Wait, is that the remote? Dude, that is tiny. This remote looks awful lot like my remote for the sound surround. Literally sound surround remote, man. It's got the home button there. That's what I need. Home, blah blah blah. Yeah, they could have done better with the remote. The remote looks a bit crap, really. Not gonna lie. My previous TV's remote is much better, much longer, man. It flipping, gives you that vibe of you've got something in your hands. But anyways, what's next? We've got the next stand right here. These are pretty heavy, dude. Well, of course they're gonna be heavy. You know what? I can't quite figure out if I should put it on the cabinet or if I put it on the wall. We'll see how it goes. Right, let's just put that back there. Get this. Holy moly. Wait, hang on a second. I gotta do this right. Where is the instructions? Do I need to pull off the cardboard box first, or do I need to pull off the sponges first? I have no idea, guys. I'll be right back with you. I don't want to break things right now. So, just a sec. The veil has been lifted. And I am so scared to even touch this, dude. Dude, I am scared as heck to touch this. Because the thing is bloody thin, dude. Look at that. It's literally got no backside, man. That is thin. You know, I'm so scared. I have no idea how I'm even gonna lift this up. It's like a 3-person job, dude. Putting this on the wall, like my old TV, it was, you know, it was thin, but it wasn't as thin as this. This sucker is flipping, dude. I know, you know what, I wasn't prepared for this. Like, you know, if I remove this, is the TV gonna fall? Because if the TV falls, right, I'm scared, man. I'm scared, right? Let's just put this away. Right, so. Going around. Do I really need to throw the bag off? Come on, man. For unboxing purposes, the main reason of this unboxing is to show the backside. It is to show the backside because, as I mentioned, nobody shows the backside of TVs. That's what you're here for. You need to know what goes in and here. Oh, here, damn it! Look at that flipping wrapping on my brand new TV screen. You dude, they should have put a wrapper on the screen, man. That's not cool. I think there is. I'm not sure. There is somewhere around here. They're really thin wrappers, but whatever, dude. Here it is. Right, dude. I don't. You know what? I want to flipping just throw it on like that. Here's the energy rating, which I don't want to see, man. I don't want to see the energy. All right, the ports are on the other side. Right, guys. I do apologize, but there's what the stand's gonna go, and I can see the inputs. So that's where the thingy-majig's gonna go. I'm loving the flipping carbon fiber. It's not carbon fiber, but I don't know, it looks like fat carbon fiber from the back. And get out the way, dude. Get out the way. Here are the bloody ports, man. Here are the bloody ports. Dude, I want to be honest with you. This wasn't one of the best unboxing videos that I've done, but you know, it had to be done. Here are the ports. Where is... Right, so you got USB there. You've got a whole bunch of HDMIs there. And... dude, I do apologize, man. This is the most amateur amateur unboxing video ever. I'm not gonna lift this up out of the box because I'm scared. Seriously, I'm just scared. But here it is, guys. You know, the main thing I wanted to show you guys is the back. It does have a HDMI eARC. It has HDMI 2.1, all of that good stuff. But it's not basically, I can't show you all of it because it's got more ports at the bottom. Here's the TV itself. I just can't wait to turn this on. It is unfortunate that the only way you get to experience this TV's high quality images in person, right? That's one thing that I always want to mention. So many of you guys, you watch reviews of TVs on YouTube videos. You don't realize you are watching it on your own phone, dude. So the picture quality of the TV is literally your phone screen, right? So to experience the quality of these TVs, you have to be there in person, man. But anyways, rather than guys, a year later, well not really, literally 30 minutes later, I was saying how disgusting this remote is, right? I have no idea why this TV, matter of fact, has 2 remotes. Here's the original OG remote. It's really nice, slimlined. It's got all those pictures, Prime Video, Netflix, Sony Pictures, whatever, Disney Plus. Don't know what that yellow button is. That's Crunchyroll and YouTube. And it's got some sort of charging thing, magic. I have no idea what you charge it. Yeah, it's you flipping charge the remote, lads. What on earth? Well, there it is, guys. There's the batteries and stuff like that. I was dissing the remote for no reason with the TV, but that's a decent remote. You know, as expected. You don't want to have a screen on the remote or something like that. Otherwise, what's the use of a big 65-inch TV? Yeah, I dissed this remote, and this one popped out of the packaging. You know, you should look at the packaging before saying anything. So before everyone starts bombarding the comment section, oh, dude, are you blind? You didn't look at the right remote. But there you go. The TV comes with 2 remotes. For whatever reason, man, I have no idea why it has got 2 remotes. So So then, YouTubers, the TV is finally on the wall. Now, my OCD is kicking off as much as yours is. Please do ignore all the wires because I've not done wire management yet. Because wire management takes a long time and it is a tedious thing to do, but I have to do it. All the wires, please ignore them for now. The TV is on the wall, and I'm going to be honest with you, I am giving it a 10 out of 10 already. 10 out of absolute 10. Because I've got no problems of it at all. No problems at all. Now, for those professionals out there, I doubt you've watched the video all the way this long, but if you have, I do apologize. I'm not, I want to game. I want the picture to look good. I want the picture to look amazing, stuff like that. I am not a pixel perfect guy to flip and detail the nits and stuff like that and that. This TV's, 10 times better than my old TV. It's better than all the OLEDs I've seen currently on the market. That's what matters to me. Is the brightness is perfect for my room, because my room, my front room is not always like super, super bright. So, I think the nits always matters to people who's got a really, really bright room, and the brightness like mixes up with the TV. Other than that, TV setup, absolutely perfect. You know what? This video is edited to the max because I was actually going to stop. You probably noticed when I was unboxing the TV, I was so scared to touch it. How thin it was and stuff like that. I was going to stop the video right there, but I've edited it and it's took longer. And here it is, absolutely beautiful. So let me get through to a couple of things here. So then, well, that's the settings menu. I wanted to show you something, guys. I'm sorry, this is going to be a bit tedious review, but here is the game mode menu, dude. This is in the Sony or latest Sony TV. So picture mode is on game standard. You can turn VRR off and on right there. Motion blur obviously off. Black equalizer, screen size. So basically, the screen size, you can shrink the screen. So if you're a very competitive gamer and you want to make your screen smaller, apparently to give you that competitive edge, you can do that as well. So you can shrink the screen. Oh damn it. It's gone. And screen size, there we go, that's how you do it. Crosshair, basically you can put a tiny dot in the middle of the screen, if you want to do quick scoping and stuff like that, and there you go, you can change your crosshair type right there. So while we're here, let's go to the TV's main menu. So basically, all Sony TVs have an amazing OS. I love the OS, say what you will. It's basically full on Android. So basically, it's just like your Android phone. Just a sec, how do I go there? So just pressing the home button, and here you go, basically Android home right there. So there are my Android apps, YouTube. We're not going to talk about this one because if you know what that is, you know what that is. But anyways, Prime Video, that's the app you use to send things, even go PlayStation Remote Play, and all the way back here somewhere. Basically, this is the Google App Store. You go on the Google App Store and you can add the apps, basically any apps you want from the Google Play Store. Other than that, one thing I'm going to make a separate video on. One thing. This TV gave me many heart attacks. Reason is, extremely expensive TV. It's the most expensive TV I've ever bought in my life, and it's probably going to be the most expensive TV to stay in that record of the world. But I'm not gonna buy another TV, more expensive TV than this, because that's it. This is the final verdict. The AMR is getting old now, so this is my basically limit. I'm not going to cross this limit unless, I don't know, 10, 20 years down the time, flipping some new latest technology comes out, I'll get a cheaper version of that. But 2.3K. Dude, no way I'm going to be doing that again. Now, as I was going to say, due to the TV, how expensive it is, it gave me heart attacks. Because when you get this TV, right, brand new, without touching any settings, you're going to notice two things, right? One thing you're going to notice is, at the bottom, it's got a bezel, and on top of that bezel, it's got that black, basically, void. That is completely normal. It's normal to all Bravia 8 TVs. I'm not sure why they've done that. It's basically, you've got two bezels in one. So you got basically the metal bezel that says Sony, and right on top of that, you got that black bezel. Dude, it gave me major heart attacks. That's why I had a faulty TV. It wasn't faulty. Heart attack number 2, which was... Right, damn it. You know what? I'm sorry. I'm still so clumsy with the menus because I'm still not used to them. So number 2, heart attack number 2 was pixel shift. Dude, I'm gonna make a separate video about this as well. So in case for new people, I'm not sure if it's gonna happen now. If I turn it on, no, it's not happening. It happens pretty randomly. It's not happening. So what? Yeah, let's change that. So I've changed it. I've turned it off. Oh damn, I've turned it on again. Right, change, turn off. So I've changed it or turned it off. People are gonna, some people are very, very careful with their TVs and they're gonna leave it on. Whereas me, I'm not gonna leave it on. What Pixel Shift does is, on either side of the TV, it brings up a black border. It brings up a black border, so your bezel on the side of the screen is going to be much more thicker than the bezel on the right side of the screen. Once again, if you're an ordinary guy like me, purchasing TVs that cost an arm and a leg and maybe a couple of eyes as well while you're at it, and you see a bezel and stuff like that, I was like, damn, faulty TV. But nope, it wasn't faulty at all. What that does is, this is an OLED, and OLEDs have all these countermeasures to prevent burn-ins. Now, burn-ins in new TVs are extremely rare, but I think this feature is here for, just for longer period purposes. Sony gives you 5 years of flipping guarantee and warranty, so you're safe as it is. But yeah, that bezel gets wider on one end, so the TV kind of shifts left, right, like ever so slightly. You're never going to notice it. But if someone walks through your door and they don't have what's happened to your TV? Why is it switched to one hand? Why is it switched to one side? That is the reason, guys. So I've turned it off because I'm very careful with my TV. I'm always going to turn it off. I'm never going to leave it in one place for too long. I reckon for example, if I turn this TV on 24 hours on the same place, I think that's when the burn is going to happen. But, you can't leave it on for 24 hours. It's going to turn off anyway. So, it's there for countermeasures. Overall, guys, I'm giving this TV a 10 out of 10. I'm in absolute love with it. No problems at all, apart from those two things. One thing is the bottom line thing. Basically, there's like two bezels, but you can't notice it when you're playing. And the next thing was the pixel shifting. They should have put a warning right at the start of the TV to prevent the heart attacks come from me, man. Anyways, sound surround, my sound surround is right there, the Bravia sound system. I haven't plugged it in yet because what's it called now? It's wiring issues. I need to wire everything up, and I want to wire it. Oh, Harry Potter, man. But anyways, I need to wire it a certain way so it's nice and neat. But anyways, that's it from today. I have a feeling I'm missing something, man. What am I missing? The specs of the TV is going to be down below because I haven't fully explained the specs. Dude, I'm missing something. I can't remember at all. What am I missing? Yeah, PS5 calibration. You plug PS5 into this TV. The TV talks to the PS5, dude. The PS5 settings change automatically. Literally, it puts on VRR, it puts on LM, whatever it's called, 120 FPS, it switches the resolution. Yeah, it even changes the HDR brightness for you, and it gives you a warning sign saying, do not touch the HDR brightness, the TV set it up for you. So I didn't do anything to my PS5. I was ready to do it, but the sick thing is, this is Sony TV, Sony PlayStation, they linked so well, it's absolutely incredible. I love that. It was like, they're talking like PS5, like, heck yeah, check the TV out you got now, boy. The TV was like, heck yeah, check the PS5 out now, boy. But I bet it was like, yeah, it's not a Pro, man. It's not a Pro. If it was a Pro, it would have been better. But anyways, PS5 Pro is going to be coming out in a month's time. But once again, before I go on and on, thank you for watching. I do apologize of the very amateur video, as if any of my videos are professional anyway. But I tried my best. I've just moved into this house. I haven't got any equipment to make anything professional. This is my very limited view of the Bravia 8. Very simple view for an ordinary person. This TV is top notch, man. If you want to get a Bravia 8, get it, guys. Get it. If you got the money, get it, guys. Just go for it. It is. I'm in love with it. I'm in absolute love with it. This was a 65-inch version, and this is what you're seeing on the screen. By the way, OLEDs look very weird on camera. I'm not sure why. You might see the refresh rates going by, and you might see the colors not popping. Trust me, they are popping. On camera, it does not do justice. Never does. Anyways, before I make this video an hour long, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this far. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Take care of yourselves. Peace out, dudes.